Using Affirm on Amazon is a convenient way to pay for purchases over time with transparent financing options. To get started, you need to have an Amazon account and be eligible for Affirm financing. First, add the items you want to purchase to your Amazon shopping cart. When you proceed to checkout, you will see the option to select a payment method. Look for Affirm as a payment option and select it. You will then be redirected to Affirm's website to complete your application. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to create an account with Affirm if you do not already have one. Once you have completed the application, Affirm will provide you with a financing decision and terms, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. If you are approved, you can then confirm your loan and complete your purchase on Amazon. Your purchase will be split into monthly payments, and you will receive reminders and notifications from Affirm when payments are due. You can also log in to your Affirm account to view your payment schedule and make payments online. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of your loan carefully before confirming your purchase. Make sure you understand the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any fees associated with your loan. Using Affirm on Amazon can be a great way to finance your purchases. But it is crucial to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. By following these steps and understanding the terms of your loan, you can use Affirm on Amazon with confidence.